Alright, what's going on, guys? This is the third and final coat. It's just about dry. I'm not gonna step on it just yet, because it's still pretty fresh. I couldn't film while I was coating this floor because it's pretty hot in this house, and yet we still have to keep all the windows closed so it doesn't dry too fast while we're coating. But it turned out real good, especially these rooms. They cleaned up real nice. The hallway here. Yeah, there we go. And there's some thresholds right here. These need to be touched up. Those will be done at a later time. We just didn't have enough time to do these because we still got to do these cabinets here. And this is not something we normally do. This is a little, I guess, just for this lady. We gave her a, pretty good deal doing that. But other than that, another one bites the dust, guys. Beautiful. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you guys got any questions, comments, just let me know. All right, guys.